Hey you guys, today we're making paprika chicken with seasoned rice. If you want to learn how, keep on watching. All right, I am going to clean my chicken with cold water and white vinegar. Let that sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse it off again and make sure the chicken is thoroughly clean before we season. All right, so the seasonings I'm going to use are about a teaspoon of each: salt, garlic powder, onion powder, let's see, paprika, cayenne, black pepper, and then we are going to mix all of those together. Also a little bit of parsley. I'm going to use my hands, mix, and make sure that it's seasoned on both sides. All right, I'm going to make sure I wash my hands, and we are going to cut up some onion. It can be diced medium. It doesn't have to be too big or too small. We're just going to cut that up, and it's about a half a cup of onion. All right, so I'm going to preheat my oven to 400, and then we are going to put about 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot, and we are going to begin to brown our chicken. We're going to let it simmer on both sides for about 3 minutes, making sure it gets brown, and then flipping that over. All right, so we are going to remove all the chicken once it's browned and add in our onion and let that saute about a half a cup again. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of garlic as well and just let that saute for a couple of minutes. Next, we are going to add in a cup of jasmine rice, or whatever kind of rice you prefer, and just stir that in and let it saute in just for a minute or so. And we are going to add in a cup and a half of broth. If you don't have broth, it's okay. You could use water. Just make sure you add a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt to my liking, to my taste preference, and put our chicken back in. All right, so I'm going to cover it and put it in the oven on 400 for about 35 minutes. And here is our paprika chicken. It is so tasty. I really hope you guys try. If you watch this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And in the comments, let me know how yours turned out. Hope you have a good one. Bye.